The BJP National President JP Nadda on Sunday said that the mining corporation in the state was being formed and this would get the full support of the centre. He also alluded that the state government under the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant was doing a good job and he did not foresee anybody else heading the party into elections. Here's more. Nadda is in Goa to officially kick off the election campaign for the 2022 Assembly elections. Nadda said that the BJP was interested in development of the state and to take care of all issues including mining corporation.
Certainly we are very positive about it. We are worried about the development of Goa and whatever best we have to do, we'll do it. As far as Madhe is concerned, the matter is sub judice. And the Supreme Court has given extension to the tribunal. And we hope that in the course of time, the judicious decision will take place. As far as mining is concerned, the corporation is on way to be formed and Government of India is going to give full support to it.
Besides speaking on mining, Nadda said that the official announcement on the elections would be won by the BJP Parliamentary Board. But as far as he could see, the present government under Dr. Pramod Sawant was doing a good job. He said that Shripad Naik was doing a good job in Delhi and was needed there.
ऐसा है, प्रमोद सावंत जी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और चहुमुखी विकास प्रमोद जी के नेतृत्व में हुआ है. प्रमोद जी के ही नेतृत्व में हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. हमारे यहाँ एक व्यवस्था होती है कि पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड इन विषयों के बारे में डिक्लेयर करता है. सो दैट डिक्लेरेशन आई डोंट टेक इट, बट कोई इसमें से और कुछ सोचने का भी स्थान नहीं है, तो मैंने आपके सामने रखने का प्रयास किया है. इन द एंड आई विल से दैट आई एम वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक and I am happy with the Goa party unit as well as the government that they have done a very good job. I must commend them for their good job.
He sharpened his attack on the Congress, calling it rudderless, and said that the attack on the Pegasus software issue was baseless and the opposition was issueless. It may be recalled that the opposition is attacking the government on the Pegasus snooping software issue, where many names including Rahul Gandhi, 2 union ministers and a sitting judge were among those allegedly being scooped.
कांग्रेस दिल्ली से लेके गोवा तक इज ए रडरलेस बोट एंड द सेलर डज नॉट नो विच साइड टू सेल. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ कांग्रेस. इट इज ए रडरलेस बोट एंड द सेलर डज नॉट नो वेयर टू गो. ही डज नॉट नो द विंड्स ऑल्सो, वेयर द विंड्स आर ब्लोइंग. एज फार एज द स्नूपगेट एंड द इशू इज कंसर्न, इट इज बेसलेस, it is issueless, and as I told that the opposition led by Congress has got no issue which they want to raise in the for the people which is related to people. इसलिए वो इस तरीके के issues उठाते हैं. दूसरा, जहाँ तक पार्लियामेंट का सवाल है, we are ready for all types of discussion and we are going for discussion. लेकिन कांग्रेस along with the opposition इतनी हताश हो गई है, इतना उनका, जिसको मैं कहूँ कि इशूलेस हो गई है, कि उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या करना है. इसलिए इशूलेस तरीके से ही पार्लियामेंट को चलने से रोकते हैं.
The BJP president had a message to minorities too. Listen.
You may ask the representatives in the ministry and among the MLAs that what message I have given for minorities. We would like to outreach to them. And we would like to see to it that we all come under the fold of Bharatiya Janata Party and go forward for the development of Goa.
Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.